amalgamating. So now they've got 2 director of services, 2 executive directors. What's the purpose of that?
Why? Why when it's just a corporation?
They're both from Owen Sound, Sydney and Phyllis.
Yeah.
They're both from Owen Sound, not Walkerton.
But one works for Walkerton and one works for Owen Sound?
No, they're both from here.
They're both from here?
They're both from here. This is not Walkerton, this is Owen Sound.
I am here in the town of Owen Sound, operating for Grasshopper Media, and I've just happened upon this. What would you call it? Would this be a protest, or would this be a... It's a rally.
Bring Home Camden rally.
Bring Home Camden rally. Excellent, because the words that you use are the most important. You've been getting a lot of honks too. I can hear. I've been hearing them up and down the street quite a bit.
It's amazing. I am flabbergasted.
Yeah.
I just started with this.
Yeah.
Christine's group about a month or 2 ago.
Okay. And you've grown?
Well, yeah, because my family's in it now.
Yeah, Lisa joined Voices of Innocent Families, and we've been coming down here to this area in particular to assist her family and a few other families that are in Owen Sound that are in distress, of course, by the CAS, Child Protection Fraud.
Yeah. Okay.
So, yeah.
Excellent. Well, is there websites or anything that anybody can go to if they want to look into these issues? What would be the best? Can Grands. I'll post them all in the
they're all on the card
in the description. Okay.
Hey, how are you?
Never better. How are you?
Sherwood from Voices of Grey Bruce.
Okay,
This is my satellite group, Voices of Grey Bruce. I'm from Ontario, and I run Voices of Nova Scotia, Voices of Eastern Canada, Ontario.
Oh, excellent, excellent. Okay, anytime you're in Ottawa, come down and we'll have a nice meeting with Jane.
Awesome.
You got to meet. Have you met her face to face?
I haven't met her face to face, but I would love to.
We're doing some great work.
I follow her all the time. Actually, she's one of my mentors. I'm so glad to meet you.